This is a My Jeep update on preparation for a third attempt for differential break-in. On first and second break-in attempts, I developed a wind accelerating between 35 and 40 miles an hour. And good morning, it's a My Jeep update for June 22nd, Thursday. And as you can see, I've got it back in the garage and I've got the differential. I'm tearing back into it. Still no go on the break-in period. So I've made 2 attempts. So I'm going to check a few other things, a few other items. It was still making some whining noise. And I'm looking for a possibly a mobile mechanic that has some differential experience that can come and check my specs before I put this thing back together and maybe, you know, help me out a little bit, because I just don't want to waste a lot of money destroying gears if I don't have to. My Jeep out for now. And I apologize for the boring videos. I know you've seen them before, trying to get it right.
My Jeep update. And it's Thursday afternoon, and I just checked my backlash, and it's showing, it's about 4-5 different places, 11 to 12. I think I found one place that was showing 10, but mostly 11 to 12. So it's loosened up, and I only put a couple of miles on it for that second drive-in period that I attempted, and it was showing 8 when I buttoned it up last time. So I'm gonna check preload and see what it is, and then I'm gonna depending on what preload is, I may have to take the pinion back out, but I'm not sure. But I'll see what kind of, I want to get to where maybe I can tighten up the backlash a little bit and check another pattern out. My Jeep update, and it's Friday. Not sure about the date. So June. Yesterday I was working on backlash adjustments. You can see I pulled out some of my leftover shims. Got another rainy day, and it's a little cool. Anyway, see, I'm not getting up underneath there right now, but I made an adjustment yesterday, and I went from 11 to 12 back to 5.5 to 6, which is a little tight. So today I'll be working on getting that backlash somewhere between 8 and 10. If I'm successful in getting a good backlash, I will run another gear pattern. Thank you so much for watching, and the next video will be after the third break-in attempt. Hopefully successful.